Hi everyone, we are Group 4 here. Now let's dive into how renewable energy is changing data center, covering benefits, trends, and challenges. Let's move on to the introduction and outline.
Hi, we're Group 4. In this presentation, we will explore the significance of renewable energy in data centers, review successful case studies, discuss integration strategies, and outline project milestones and impacts. Data centers are essential, powering over half of global internet traffic, but they consume a lot of energy. By 2025, they'll account for 20% of global electricity usage, leading to a significant greenhouse gas emissions and high cost. Switching to renewable energy is necessary to reduce these impacts and align with sustainability goals. Data centers use as much electricity as 50,000 households, mostly from fossil fuels which are costly and harmful to the environment. Solar and wind energy can cut a data center's carbon footprint up to 80% and reduce energy costs by 30%, making them more sustainable and efficient. Currently, 60% of data center energy comes from coal and natural gas, leading to high cost and significant carbon emissions. Integrating renewable energy is a key to improving efficiency and sustainability. Companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook are leading way in renewable energy use for data centers. They have successfully integrated solar, wind, and other renewable resources, setting a strong example for the industry. Switching to renewable energy can reduce a data center's carbon emission by 40%, offering long-term savings and enhanced corporate responsibility. It's a strategic move that future-proofs operations, making them more sustainable and resilient.
Hello everyone, my name is Alina and I'm gonna talk about the project motivations and goals here. So now I'm gonna talk about the key factors driving the shift. The shift to renewable energy is driven by environmental concerns like climate change, regulatory pressures from the government policies, and corporate sustainability goals. Businesses face rising costs of non-renewable energy, prompting a need for cost stability through renewables. So objectives and benefits. They aim to reduce energy costs by 30% within 2 years, improve corporate ECG scores by 15% with 100% renewable energy, and enhance energy efficiency by 25% using smart grid technologies. Technologically, they focus on energy efficiency and dependability, while strategically, their goals are carbon neutrality, energy security, and future proofing against regulatory and market changes. Reliance on non-renewable energy increases unpredictable costs, harms the environment, and strains budgets as prices rise. Inefficient configuration wastes resources and hinders sustainability goals. This dependency complicates achieving environmental targets and is unsustainable for the long term, underscoring the need to shift to more renewable energy sources. The transition to renewable energy is expected to enhance energy efficiency and resilience, providing consistent and dependable access while utilizing advanced energy management technologies. It will reduce emissions, supporting global sustainability efforts and lower energy bills, leading to better ROI and long-term financial stability with reduced operational costs. Overall, this shift improves both environmental impact and operational credibility.
With the, Starting with solar energy, data centers are increasingly installing solar panels with a capacity ranging from 50 megawatt to 100 megawatt per site, generating clean energy and reducing operational costs up to 20%. And in wind energy, wind turbines are being integrated into data center operations, particularly in regions with consistent wind pattern. This solution provides a significant reduction in reliance of fossil fuels and offers high energy output during peak wind times. And finally, the hydro energy. The hydropower is harnessed by some data centers located near water sources. This stable and continuous power supply ensures uninterrupted data center operations with minimal environmental impacts. So it's about strategies for integrating renewable energy. So integrating these renewable sources isn't just about installing, but also about smart integration into existing infrastructure. Many data centers now use hybrid systems that combine traditional and renewable energy source to manage energy intermittency. Comparison between the newly adopted renewable energy source and previous energy solutions. Adopting renewable energy in data center is essential for sustainable growth in the tech industry with continuous advancement in technology and increasing governmental support. The future is bright for eco-friendly data centers. The shift benefits the environment and improves the operational efficiency and the public image of data center operators.
Welcome everyone, my name is Sanju. Today I will be presenting the project timeline and status for our renewable energy integration project. We'll cover the key phases, major milestones and the current status. So let's dive in. So our project began in the first quarter of 2023 with planning, including conceptualization and stakeholder meetings. In the second quarter, we designed the integration of solar, wind and hydro energy. By the third quarter, we secured all necessary permits, and implementation started in the fourth quarter of 2023 and will continue until the second quarter of 2024. Focusing on installation and integration, testing and optimization are scheduled for the third quarter of 2024, leading to full implementation by the fourth quarter of 2024. And for the key milestone and phases, we completed planning in the first quarter of 2023 with the design approval in the second quarter. Permits were acquired in the third quarter and construction began in the fourth quarter of 2023. A mid-implementation review is set for the first quarter of 2024. System testings will happen in the third quarter of 2024, with the project completion expected by the fourth quarter of 2024. These milestones ensure we stay on track. And for the current project status, we are currently in the implementation phase, integrating renewable energy systems. Solar panel installation is progressing well, and wind turbine should be operational by next quarter. This phase is crucial for making our data centers sustainable and efficient. We faced delays due to supply chain issues with the wind turbine components, resulting in a 2-month delay in the wind energy integration. To mitigate this, we have accelerated the shipping and identified alternative supplies. On the other hand, we have experienced acceleration in solar energy integration due to efficient project management and favorable weather conditions, allowing us to complete this phase ahead of schedule by 1 month. We plan to apply the successful strategies from this phase to the upcoming tasks.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepika Basnev and today I'll be discussing the crucial topic of renewable energy in data centers. Specifically, I'll be focusing on the segment titled Cost, Risk and Benefits. Firstly, let's dive into the cost associated with renewable energy integration. Initial costs encompass investments in solar panels and wind turbines, installation and setup, upgrading existing systems and engineering fees. Ongoing costs include routine maintenance, energy storage management, compliance monitoring, and administrative expenses. Although these costs can be substantial, they are crucial for ensuring a sustainable and efficient energy system. Following the cost, let's look at the potential risks of renewable energy integration, which includes technological failures, regulatory challenges, financial risks from energy market volatility, and supply chain issues. To mitigate these risks, consider diversifying new energy sources, implementing regular maintenance, establishing a strong compliance framework, and investing in reliable technology. These strategies help manage risks and ensure a successful transition to renewable energy. And finally, renewable energy integration brings notable benefits, which include long-term energy cost savings, tax incentives, stable prices, and improved financial performance. It also enhances energy security, boosts sustainability, provides a competitive edge, and aligns with environmental regulations. However, non-monetary costs like staff training and organizational adjustment must be considered too. Overall, these benefits significantly outweigh the cost, contributing to long-term success and sustainability.
Hi everyone, let's talk about how using renewable energy impacts data center and our community. First of all, renewable energy can actually cut down on operating costs. It's often cheaper than traditional energy sources, which modern management system data center can control and monitor their energy use more effectively, which means they waste less and spend less. Moving to renewable energy helps reduce carbon emission. This is great for our environment and helps data centers meet their sustainability goals and also boost their image as environmentally responsible companies. Lastly, energy storage solutions like batteries play a big role here. They provide backup power so data centers are not as affected by power outage. Okay, now let's consider the people involved. For employees working for a company that prioritizes sustainability can be very fulfilling. This leads to happier employees and better retention because they feel like they are part of something important. For stakeholders, data centers that invest in their renewable energy are more attractive. This kind of commitment can increase investors' confidence and open up more funding opportunities, helping the company grow. And what about the end users? They get more reliable service thanks to the improved efficiency of the data center. Plus, knowing that their service providers support green practices make them feel good about their choice, which can increase the loyalty and satisfaction. Finally, let's look at the bigger picture. When data centers use renewable energy, that they can encourage local business to follow their lead. This helps spread green practices and support local economic growth. On the environmental side, using renewable energy helps reduce air pollution and fight climate change by cutting down on fossil fuel use. This is crucial for keeping our air cleaner and protecting our planet. Looking ahead, we can expect advancement in renewable energy and storage technology. Data centers will become even more efficient and sustainable, leading to more widespread adoption and exciting innovation in the future. Moving on to the next. To wrap up, renewable energy offer a sustainable solution for data center, reducing both cost and environmental impact. Major companies are leading the way, showing that this shift is not only beneficial but also essential for a greener future.
Future prospects. Technological innovations will boost energy efficiency and reliability. As costs drop, we'll see wider adoption of renewables. Government policies and incentives will accelerate this shift, while stronger corporate commitments will drive sustainability. This global transition will cut emissions and inspire other industries to go green.
These are the references, the rejected topics. We initially considered topics like AI's impact on data center and cybersecurity trends, but they were already well covered. Instead, we chose renewable energy in data center for its relevance and potential to offer new insights into sustainability and efficiency. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or feedback, just email me. Special thanks to PowerPoint for this template.